This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Beautiful scenic backyard and lakefront location. Home is a short sale, must be cash or renovation loans only. Nice ranch home with 3 beds and 2 baths in prime neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.